Hello friends, welcome back to Prajwalita's kitchen. Today we will be making a very quick and yummy recipe from leftover dosa or idli batter, that is Punugulu. So let's start. In a 2 cup of dosa batter, add 1 finely chopped onion, 2 chopped green chili, fresh coriander 1 tablespoon, curry leaf 1 teaspoon, cumin 1 teaspoon, salt to taste, and half cup of maida or rice flour for the binding. Give it a nice mix. Now heat the oil for frying. Take a small amount of batter with the help of fingers. Drop down as shown in the video, like we do while making the bhajia. Now fry till it becomes golden brown in color on a medium flame. Take it out in a serving plate and continue the process for the second batch of the batter. And here we go, a delicious Punugulu is ready to serve. Serve hot and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy!